the channel, and this is Sargam here from Sargam Tries, which you're probably watching right now. And yes, I am shooting from Snapchat because my phone's camera is really bad. And who cares if I shoot from Snapchat or somewhere else? Snapchat is a camera, and I look good with makeup on and without any efforts. Zero effort makeup. And these curls are from the bun that I made the the bun that I made all day. And yes, so let's get into the serious kind of vibe, because this video, like the whole set of videos, will not be very easy to watch because they include emotions. That's pretty much. Let's get into the serious vibe. Hello. Mic testing, mic testing. Oh, I don't have a mic. This is my mic. Please bear me through my garibi. I'll buy a mic when I have money.
मैं गरीब हूँ, मेरे मम्मी पापा मुझे गरीब जन्म दिए.
Okay, so let's start from the starting. And if you have not seen my previous videos, you don't have to see them. I mean, if you want to see them, you can see them. But long story short, my father was tested positive for COVID, and then we all were tested. We are a family of 6 members, including my father. So we all the 5 others were tested, and um, we got a call from CM office after 2 days of being tested that we are positive. We all were positive for COVID with mild symptoms, and some of us were asymptomatic at the time of uh, the at the time the test came positive. And then okay, first of all, I want to keep this video very short, so I will not be posting all the journey in just one video. I'll be posting parts of it. I want to keep it short and informative because no one likes to see long videos of people talking about diseases, and that to COVID. So uh, yeah, so at that time when we were tested positive, there was no rule of home quarantine, so we were not able to home quarantine ourselves, and we had to go to the hospital. And the CM office, the authorities from the CM office, which are responsible for calling in my state, that is Jammu and Kashmir, we they called us and we were told that the ambulance is coming in 2 to 3 hours, and uh, you have to pack your stuff, the stuff you need in the hospital, and you have to move. So we told them that we need time because we are a family of 6 members, including an elderly person. So we just uh, we just took they took time, the ambulance took time, and we got 5 to 6 hours to pack our stuff. And before packing our stuff, like when my father came out positive, our whole house was covered with barbed wires. The gate area was covered with barbed wires from the police station, and which was very embarrassing at first, which was depressing because my father was in hospital. I was crying at night. We were sleeping alone at nights. My brother was not well. I was not well. And yeah, it was tough. The night when he went, and the night when everybody got to know that we are a family of an infected person before getting positive. That time was difficult because people were staring at us, people were judging us. Even when we were at home, and we just stood in the balcony for putting our clothes. That Yeah, that was depressing, and you know how the society is, right? These are the dogs, the street dogs. I love them. I feed them every day. They love me. I think they love me. फिर फिर उसके बाद हमें एम्बुलेंस में ले गए वहाँ हॉस्पिटल. और ओके, इतना डिप्रेसिंग साउंड कर रही हूँ. डिप्रेसिंग साउंड नहीं करूँगी. आपको अपनी पूरी जर्नी रिकॉर्डेड बताऊँगी, जितना भी मुझसे रिकॉर्ड हो पाया. और या, let's get into the vlog part, and let's give you a look about what was happening at that time. हमारे टेस्ट पॉजिटिव आ चुके हैं. अब हम जा रहे हैं हॉस्पिटल और पैक करनी है, बैग पहन लिया है. व्लॉगिंग साथ साथ में करूँगी जब तक ठीक रहूँगी. जय माता दी. नाउ वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द एम्बुलेंस. हम एम्बुलेंस का वेट कर रहे हैं. बैग्स वैग रेडी हैं हम सबके. टेम्पो जाना है. कोई और भी बैठी हुई है पीछे. कोई और लेडी बैठी हुई है. कोई और क्या पकड़ूं? चलो. ये है हॉस्पिटल. इसका फर्स्ट लुक. दिस इज़ 5th फ्लोर ऑफ बत्रा हॉस्पिटल जम्मू एंड वी हैव अराइव्ड. दिस इज़ द कोविड वार्ड. पहुंच गई हूँ. नहीं बताओ. मुझे भी काट रहा है ये. दिखाती हूँ. हमारी चाय आ गई है. चाय पीने लगे हम. हुलिया बहुत ख़राब है. मेरे पास में ताला गई और मुझे जल्द से जल्द नेगेटिव होना है और यहाँ से निकलना है. मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आ रही है जगह. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. और पापा का दूसरा रूम है और उनकी थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम, मतलब उनकी कंडीशन थोड़ी ठीक नहीं है पर ठीक हो जाएंगे. दिस इज़ व्हेन द शिट गेट्स रियल. जब मैंने पीपी वालों को देखा मेरी फट गई. हमारे टेस्ट लेने के लिए आ गए हैं. हमारा ब्लड टेस्ट हो रहा है और ब्लड टेस्ट से हमें पता चलेगा कि एंटीबॉडीज़ बनी है या नहीं. और बस ब्लड टेस्ट हो गया. इसके बाद मैंने पूरा दिन स्नैपचैट चलाया.
घोड़े दिखते हैं तो मेरा मन करता है कि मैं बस यहाँ से कूदूं, घोड़े पे बैठूं और चल जाऊं.
चांद छुपा बादल में शर्मा के मेरी जान. चांद छुपा बादल में. Let's talk about my symptoms, the symptoms I had, because now we all were sure that we all are positive. So we all pretty much had a mild fever for one day or one night or 4 hours or 3 hours depending upon person to person. For me, I had 100.7 fever, which is recorded in the previous vlog because I was crying and yelling at myself and at the walls in my room. So yeah, so I had 100.7 degree Fahrenheit on the night when my father went, and after that in the morning I was fine. Talking about symptoms, and then for the symptoms, I don't think that I had a lot of symptoms. I didn't had cough. I did not had cough at the time before going to the hospital, and these are the symptoms I'm talking about before going to the hospital. But for medicines, we all took azithromycin. Azithromycin का कोर्स किया था हमने. 3 दिन का कोर्स था वो. हम सब ने किया था क्योंकि पापा को हो चुका था, तो इसीलिए हम सब श्योर थे कि अब हमें हो ही सकता है. तो इसीलिए हमने हमारे टेस्ट पॉजिटिव आने से पहले ही 3 दिन का कोर्स कर लिया था एजिथ्रोमाइसिन का. और हम लोगों को थोड़ा फीवर था. 99, 100, 100.7, नॉट मोर देन 100, 99 to 100. या सो देन या वी टुक एजिथ्रोमाइसिन. एंड चाहे लोग इस बात का मजाक उड़ाएंगे या लोग कुछ भी कह लेंगे, पर मैंने पतंजलि की कोरोनिल खाई थी. कोरोनिल टैबलेट्स मैं शुरू से ले रही थी जब पापा बीमार हुए थे. जब पापा का टेस्ट नहीं हुआ था तब से ले रही थी. और फिर उसके बाद मैंने पतंजलि के ड्रॉप्स भी डाले थे, और आई स्वेयर ऑन माई मदर, पतंजलि के ड्रॉप्स डालने के बाद मेरे को बहुत फ़र्क पड़ा था. मतलब कि आई थॉट दैट आई विल बी इल फॉर नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज, बट आई वॉजेंट बिकॉज आई टुक पतंजलि. दीज आर द ड्रॉप्स, अभी भी यहीं पे पड़े हैं. ये ड्रॉप्स हैं पतंजलि के. आई डोंट नो इफ इट इज़ अलाउड, द ब्रांड थिंग इज़ अलाउड here, but not. But these were very effective. I used them one time. These were very bad. I vomited after putting them in my nose. But these are very effective. I must tell you that if you have any problem, just buy Patanjali Coronal kit. Use the drops. Use the medicine. It is effective. For me, it was effective. I don't know about other people. I don't know about the people they are tested. They are being tested to. But for me, it was it. They brought positive results. And then we had Dolo in our house. We bought Dolo for fever. If you have fever, you can take Dolo. And yeah, azithromycin and Dolo. These are the two medicines that you'll get handy in the chemist shop.
My face was
and you should
this,
take it.
this,
It's good.
and this
And
all
one
day.
thing which we did not knew at that time when we were tested positive was that you have to ask them for your CT value. CT value, मैंने भी एक डॉक्टर की वीडियो देखी है अभी. यहाँ पे एक डॉक्टर है, केक के सब मिश्रा समथिंग, आई पुट द नेम. So he and many doctors, they are telling to ask them about the CT value of the test. So if the CT value is 24, more than 24, or more than 25, or 24, less than 24, they tell you that if you are having mild symptoms, like, or you are loaded with the virus. So I think my father was loaded with the virus because he had issues. He had health related issues, and we'll talk about it further. But this was the first day of this video will be the first day of me in the hospital. And yeah, if you are watching it, you should, like, I think you should watch it because I have experienced COVID eye to eye. And I had mild symptoms, and in my prescription it's written asymptomatic in my prescription. So I consider myself asymptomatic. We all were asymptomatic, but my father was not asymptomatic. He had symptoms. So I have experienced both kinds of coronavirus. I have seen both kinds of coronavirus. The asymptomatic one, the mild symptomatic one, and the very heavy loaded symptomatic one. First night we were in the hospital, a man came to our ward, and he was in a very bad condition. He was in a very bad condition, and he had all the symptoms. He was not able to breathe. He had chest pain. He was coughing. He had heavy loaded virus, and he was late. He was late for testing. I don't think he was tested. He wasn't even tested. He was just he was an emergency case in the hospital. And I talked to him and I told him that uncle, if you want any water or something, uncle, आपको पानी पीना है, आपको कुछ चाहिए, आप खाने के लिए है कुछ आपके पास. पर वो बोल नहीं पा रहे थे. उनकी हालत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब थी. और फिर उसके बाद उनको ऑक्सीजन लगाने आए. ड्रिप लगाई पहले, फिर उसके बाद उनको ऑक्सीजन लगाई वहीं हमारे रूम में. और हम लोग भी थोड़ा टेंशन में आ गए थे क्योंकि हमारे पापा भी ठीक नहीं थे. मतलब पापा को, क्योंकि पापा ऑलरेडी मेडिसिन पे थे, तो हमें नहीं पता कि बिना मेडिसिन के क्या होगा उनका. पर अगर नहीं होते मेडिसिन पे तो उनका भी शायद यही होता है ना. तो उसके बाद वो अंकल शांत हो गए थोड़े ऑक्सीजन लगने के बाद. और उन्होंने ही वॉज लाइक, इट वॉज फनी एट द टाइम. आई लाफ्ड बिकॉज ही सेड दिस, बट नाउ आई think that he was in a very bad condition. in a very bad condition. Like this is about the wards, right? You see all the patients around all the time, and he was fine. He spent the night in the ward. He went to the same washroom we went to, and in the morning he was fine. He was shifted to the ICU, the primary ICU. They call it PICU. They shifted him to the primary ICU, and his oxygen level was 52 to 54, which is very less because oxygen level होनी चाहिए 90 above. और अगर आपको कोविड है, कोविड के सिम्टम्स हैं, या फिर आप ऐसे ही वीडियो देख रहे हो, आपके घर में ऑक्सीमीटर होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़रूरी है. इस टाइम पे द टाइम ऑफ द पैंडमिक यू शुड हैव ऑक्सीमीटर एट योर हाउसेस. ज़रूरी है, बस ज़रूरी है, और कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी, बस ज़रूरी है. अपनी ऑक्सीजन चेक करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. 90 से ऊपर होनी चाहिए, 95 से ऊपर होनी चाहिए. इनफैक्ट 95 से नीचे जाती है तो आपको प्लीज़ आप जल्दी से जल्दी जाओ. अंकल बिल्कुल ठीक हो गए थे सुबह तक. वॉशरूम आए, नहाए, उसके बाद वापस ICU गए क्योंकि ICU में वॉशरूम नहीं थे. हॉस्पिटल्स की हालत बहुत ख़राब है. मैं आगे अगले पार्ट्स में इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करूँगी इवेंचुअली, बट this is about the person which I met and I have experienced his coronavirus. He called his wife. He was calling his wife all night. He had a son, and then in the morning he was taken to the government hospital, the GMC, Government Medical College. He was taken there because the hospital in which we were, they were not taking serious cases in which oxygen was lower than 50, lower than 80. So he was discharged from this hospital. He was shifted to GMC, and the next day, that is 2 days after he came to our ward, the 2 days after he came to our ward, we found the news that he is no more. He is no longer alive, and he died of coronavirus. His name was added to the list of the patients who did not survive the virus. And I am not disrespecting the dead, but from regarding my opinion, I think that मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अंकल ने बहुत टाइम कर दिया. अगर उनको पहले से फ़ीवर था, अगर उनको पहले से खांसी थी, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि सीधा मतलब एसिम्प्टोमेटिक थे और सीधा सांस की प्रॉब्लम हो गई और चेस्ट में दिक्कत हो गई और खांसी हो गई, ऐसा नहीं होता है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अंकल ने देर कर दी. अगर वो जल्दी टेस्ट कराते और जल्दी हॉस्पिटल जाते तो शायद आज होते. He was late in testing. In fact, my father was late in testing, but he was after 2 days of being tested, he got ill. He got really ill, my father. So if we were tested 2 days, if he was tested 2 days later, I don't know what condition he would be in. तो मैं बस ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि इस वीडियो में मैं बस ये कहना चाहूँगी कि टेस्ट कराने से मत डरो. टेस्ट कराने से कुछ नहीं होगा. अगर आप पॉजिटिव आ रहे हो और आप पॉजिटिव आके उस कंडीशन से निकल के वापस आ रहे हो, देन यू विल बी कंसिडर्ड अ वॉरियर बट सर्वाइवर. बट आप टेस्ट नहीं कराओगे और फिर आप बस लेट जाओगे, लेट टेस्ट कराओगे या कराओगे ही नहीं और सीधा इमरजेंसी कंडीशन में हॉस्पिटल पहुंचोगे, आपको कोई ट्रीट नहीं करेगा. आपको कोई ट्रीट नहीं, मतलब कोई हाथ नहीं लगाएगा आपको, क्योंकि इतनी ख़राब हालत में कोई हॉस्पिटल नहीं लेता है ना. दिस वॉज pretty much it for the first day. I survived the first day and the night. And if you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up, and I will be posting the next parts with time because it is taking me time to go through all the videos I have shooted because they are not emotional to see, they are not emotional to watch. But जब मैं देख रही हूँ तो मुझे वही फीलिंग्स वापस आ रही हैं जैसे कि मुझे हॉस्पिटल में था और जैसे कि जाता टाइम था. तो मैं धीरे धीरे करके एडिट कर रही हूँ. बस स्टे सेफ और घर रहो. और अगर कोई भी सिम्टम आपको लगता है कि आपको सिम्टम है तो आप प्लीज़ जाकर टेस्ट कराओ. अपने लिए और अपनी फैमिली के लिए प्रॉब्लम मत बनाओ क्योंकि कोविड फॉर मी कोविड कुछ भी नहीं था, बट फॉर माई फादर एंड फॉर द सीरियस केसेस, the cases which are really I am not able to. बात बस इतनी है कि टेस्ट कराओ. टेस्ट के बिना कुछ नहीं होगा. टेस्ट के बिना आप ठीक कैसे हो गया यार? टेस्ट कराओ. अगर सिम्टम्स है तो टेस्ट कराओ प्लीज़. स्टे सेफ. लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब.